Welcome to our channel. If you want to fix Google Play billing errors, follow these easy steps to resolve payment issues and complete your purchases. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap on Payment Methods. Step 4. Review your payment information to make sure all details are current and correct, including card number, expiration date, and billing address. Step 5. If your payment method is outdated, tap on it and select Edit or Remove, then add a new valid payment method. Step 6. Clear the Google Play Store cache by going to Settings on your device, then Apps, finding Google Play Store, selecting Storage, and tapping Clear Cache. Step 7. Check if you have any pending payment issues by going back to the Play Store, tapping your profile icon, and selecting Payments and Subscriptions to see if there are any outstanding charges. Step 8. If the error persists after trying these steps, remove your payment method completely and add it again, or contact your bank to ensure there are no blocks on your card for international or online transactions, as Google Play purchases may be flagged by some banks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.